So over here we have our super cool scroll, and it says, Imaan is like an airplane ride. The higher you go, the smaller the things on earth look. Wow, this is such a thought-provoking quote. Indeed, when you go on an airplane, the things on earth look small. And the higher up the airplane goes, everything looks smaller and smaller. And for those people whose faith in Allah SWT and the hereafter increases, their views on this world also change, having far less value, and seeing this world as an illusion, quickly fading away. May Allah SWT increase our iman and grant us success in this life, but especially in the hereafter, inshallah. Alright guys, so we hope that you guys enjoyed our video and learned something new from it. Remember to hit that subscribe and like button and notification bell. And until next time, take care, peace be unto you, and bye! Whoa!